Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl K.DOLL. If you're new to my channel, thanks for tuning in, and if you're a returning subscriber, obviously welcome back to another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial. So you lot always ask me, how do I straighten my hair, how do I get it really straight, especially on Snapchat. You lot have asked me so many times, how do I get my hair straight, can I do a hair tutorial? So I finally listened to you guys and I've done a hair tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I get my wigs straight and silky. This is a very beginner friendly video and I go through all the steps, literally every step that I take. So yeah guys, I'm basically just going to show you step by step how I straighten my hair and get my wigs flat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you find it helpful. The steps are very easy, beginner friendly, so even if you're not used to like doing wigs or hair. This is a frontal wig. I didn't show you guys how I install this hair in the video, but if you'd like to see a video on how I install my frontals, then comment down below and I'll be sure to do that. If you guys find this video helpful, I hope you enjoy it. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you aren't already.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. Young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kids. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete. When you cheat, we'll lose women. It took me some time, but now I moved on. Because I realize I've got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. How to make it. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I made myself. Hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I've cried. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. I'm sitting with you. You hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. How to make it. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. Myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me, come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know, even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Me, myself, and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Time spent with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. Myself, hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I've cried. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Time spent, hey, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. I be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Time spent with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. Myself, hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I've cried. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Time spent, hey, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. Myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling and you say that you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never disappoint myself. All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out. Time spent with you. Yeah, you hurt me, but I learned a lot along the way. After all the rain, you'll see the sun come out again. Myself, hey, I know that I will never disappoint myself. I've cried.
So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos like this, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, then what are you doing? Make sure you hit the subscribe button. And except from that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.